All right, so Brett, you came in a couple weeks ago with shoulder issues, your left shoulder, right?
Yes.
All right, and what was the mechanism? How did you hurt it?
Just working with a forklift for the past 20 years.
And how was it affecting your life before you started SoftWave?
It's hard to lift, work out, bothers me all day at work. Wake up during the night from sleep in pain.
How is your range of motion with your left shoulder right now?
It's better than it was.
Okay, can you just bring it up in front of you? Let's see how good it is. Okay, good. So still a little bit reduced. Do you have any problems coming up to the side at all?
Just about there.
Just there. Okay. Okay, so we just did your SoftWave treatment. Let's check your range of motion again. Bring that left arm straight up. Okay, good, a little bit better, and then bring it off to the side. All right, still, that's much better than the free.
Yeah.